Welcome to day number 19, farmers, and today we'll be looking at water intake controls growth more than feed. It's a thought that we often have that I think broilers survive mostly on feed, but they cannot grow properly without water. The water intake drops, feed intake drops, weight gain drops, birds accumulate stress, and death risk increase. Many farmers blame the feed, but the real problem is the water. We will be looking at an in-detail breakdown of why water intake controls growth more than feed. Point number one, water triggers the appetite. If water is too hot, too dry, too dirty, far from reach, there's low pressure in your water hoses, flues, or automated systems, the birds eat less, even if the feed is full. No water equals to no growth. Point number two, heavy birds need more water fast. Think about it. At day number 19, the birds look heavier. They have grown significantly from the first week they came in. Their bodies produce more heat and they drink more frequently. So if the drinkers are too few or too high, smaller birds lose out, strong birds dominate, growth becomes uneven. We all know what uneven growth means. Number three is that dirty water is also a silent disease. Stay with me now. Water can carry bacteria, algae, feed, particles, and also droppings. Even clean-looking water can be dangerous at times. So it is up to us to manage our environments correctly. Dirty water causes diarrhea, poor feed conversion, and weak immunity. We don't always see sickness immediately, but growth slows. And number four, temperature of water matters. It is important to understand that the temperature of your water affects how your birds consume your water and how the water consumed converts the feed. Hot water reduces drinking, increases the stress in the birds, and worsens heat problems. During hot days, water can heat up inside pipes or buckets, so maintain cool, fresh water to allow the birds for better intake. Number five, uneven water excess costs money. Some birds drink more than others. You'll get uneven weights. Smaller birds eat less. Final sales drop because of the variation in the weight. So uniformity in your flocks equals more money lost, or more money made. Why this hurts your profit? Pay attention. Poor water management leads to slower growth, more medicine use, higher mortality, and lower final meat. You spend the same money but sell less meat. It's a huge problem. So what do we do on day number 19? On day number 19, we clean out drinkers daily. We ensure that there's enough drinkers for your flock size. We keep drinkers at bird bag height. We flush pipes if we're using the or automated systems. We check water during the hottest part of the day to make sure that the water is cool for the birds to consume. In closing, feed builds weight, but water controls feed. I've created a booklet called Broiler Gems for you to download. It goes through in detail information such as this that will help you maximize your profits with a small investment. See you in day number 20.